Namaskaram. And I really salute you all for being over here, presenting the art form to our nation. Various art form integrated as well. So, I know about your journey. Now share that you are working all together for about 10 years. And like in this way, you might have connected with so many people, touched so many hearts. So, if you can share your journey and how you have come ahead.
So we started with Ameza, which was the name of our collective, about 11 years back, and my idea was to bring together different dance forms of India in order to especially reach out to the younger audiences and to help them relate to Indian classical dances, which I felt was really leaving their spaces after a point of time. And that's how the idea for Ameza was born, to also integrate young artists into the movement that Ameza practices. And I consider myself very fortunate that I got in touch with, especially Anjali has been there with us from the start. And when we started this, the idea was to bring together different classical dance forms. And over the years, Ameza has grown doing exactly that. We work with various classical dance forms as well as contemporary forms now. And now we've also incorporated some international forms into our movement as well. And from our recent performances, we incorporate some Balinese dancing with Indian classical Odissi.
Wow.
And that's the way we like to work. We like to go beyond our threshold. We like to stay close to our roots, but at the same time create a medium for the youngsters to relate to what we are doing, so that they can imbibe the discipline of Indian classical form in their own lives as well. And I'm Nitisha, and I founded Ameza in 2014. And this is Anjali Munjal, who has been with us, and she's a Kathak dancer. I'm a DC dancer, she's a Kathak dancer, and she's also been dancing ever since she's been a little child. So I think it's probably been about 30 years that we've been dancing.
That's why everyone says that I know Anjali Manjar. So really, it's incredible journey of you people, and I'm really inspired by what all you do, because I know my Bharatnatyam teacher and how she was like trying to integrate each and every aspect what you shared right now, and that's the best way to connect with children. So thank you so much, Nitisha, for sharing it. And Anjali, I would like to know from you as well how this journey has been for you, because as Nitisha shared, you are doing it since a child.
Yes, so she was the first person जिन्होंने मुझे क्लासरूम से निकाल कर, our organizer is not here, Miss Smigda Nanda जी, she's not here, तो they are the first people जिन्होंने मुझे मेरे क्लासरूम से बाहर निकाल कर दिखाया कि स्टेज लाइफ क्या होती है. एंड शी गेव मी द अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, एंड मैंने दिल्ली के, इंडिया, अब्रॉड, बेस्ट ऑफ द स्टेजेस पे परफॉर्म किया है इन लोगों के साथ. अभी रिसेंटली हमने एक ट्रिप ख़त्म किया है where we were invited to perform through ICCR, and we went to
Jordan. We were at the Jarash Festival, Jordan, Lebanon, Israel.
Wow.
And,
representing our country, invited as a cultural ambassador there. It was something different. And when we started learning, we didn't know कि ऐसी life होती है artist की. We just know हमें dance करना है. हमें नहीं पता था ये life होती है. But we are glad, and I think we are the chosen ones.
Right,
Not
you are really
everybody
the
get
chosen
chance
ones.
to get connected to the art.
Right.
We are the chosen ones.
It's a divine thing, yes. I agree with you completely. And the way you people are really like giving light to many others, that's inspiring. And I would salute you. I feel proud that our India, our Bharat is with people like you. Thank you so much.
thank you.